Hello guys, welcome back to another video, another trade. As you can see, I'm having two trades right now. One on the right is Nasdaq and the left is gold. So I stopped trading gold for a while. Now we're back again, so just to increase chances of finding multiple or different trades. So both trades are bearish trade, which is selling trade. Two contracts and gold and two contracts and Nasdaq. As you can see, I started my day with a little bit of loss. So before closing for the day, I said, okay, well, here's two opportunities that open up, let's take them. So still the market haven't, the US market haven't opened, just 5 minutes before the opening. So right there, so the gold is the price of gold seemingly going to my first target. I don't know if we're gonna struggle a little bit, we're gonna hit it right away. But the Nasdaq is creating this range around this price 10,800 and yes, 10,880 and then 10,890. So the gold is reaching my first target, so just a couple tick before hitting it. Come on, you can do it. And then once I finish with the gold, whatever it is I finish with the first one, I will definitely just keep on focusing for the Nasdaq. What's stressing me is the Nasdaq, because as the market open, it can go crazy. So now as we speak, so the price is going back to this area of 10,890. So my first target been hit and the gold, so now just lowering my stop loss. Whatever happens, so is the trade is secure. So what I'm trying to do is recover. So hopefully with these two trades I will recover the losses and then go beyond them with some profit. There I go. So there is this giant wick and the 2-minute chart and the Nasdaq. So that's what the area, this is my signal for taking the trade and sell the price at that, sell at that price. But so the market is not going the direction what I wanted to go now, and then getting close to the opening is kind of stressful. So what happened is can be like go all the way up, take my hit my stop loss, and then go all the way down. It's crazy, it's created a little bit stress, but we'll see. Let's see. Everything can happen now, right? So just watch and manage the risk. That's it. Hopefully things can happen. I can do exactly as the gold, secure the trade with the stop loss and start managing as I'm doing right now on the gold. So the order book of Nasdaq, there is a volume of orders, and there is a giant volume right there. So there is a lot of buying order around this area of 1880, and that's what the markets reach and react to it right now. So that's kind of stressful, especially like before the open of the market. But let's see, let's watch what happens. So so the gold seems this is almost touching the second target. Hopefully gonna do that. Or if it's not, well then hit our stop loss, and then we'll be hitting stop loss with the profit. So let's focus now a little bit back to Nasdaq. Nasdaq, it's again So yes, so this what happened. So the gold is took our stop loss, and then well, we stopped with a good profit. So this is it right there. That's what I'm talking about. So exactly the price reacted this big volume of buying one, you know, and then going all the way to our stop loss. So that's pretty sad. That will be stopped out. So yes, what I have here is two signals. So I have this wick again that's been formed. Okay, oh, there it goes. So the price is going down. I mean, that's sad, but our stop loss haven't been touched yet. I mean, it's a couple tick away from being touched. So this week and this engulfing candle, it's both is a signal. So the price is hit that area again and then reverse. So there's hope and chances that the markets will reverse. But how? I don't know. Especially with now just a couple of minutes before the opening of the U.S. markets. So yeah. So the area of 10 where I place my first target around the 10,861.25. This area the resistance. So the market, there's chances the market will reach this area and then can flip back up or break this area and go straight to my second target. But now all those scenarios are unclear, especially before just a couple of minutes before the open of the US market. I will explain why. I mean, right there. So here we go. So the market's reverse exactly. So this area of resistance where the bulls lost battle against the bears, and then bears take over and then create the first week, and then the market and then went back up again this area and then reverse. So now this is the area of the bears. So what can happen next? Let's find out. If I came and found this setup right here, and then after my analysis, I'll definitely sell at this area again, and just at least write the price to my first target, right, and then keep managing from there. But again, yes, there you go. Now it's just couple. Yes, the market just opened. I took away my stop loss because it can go and take it for second time and then go south. Everything can happen. So I said, okay, let's take it out myself and manage it manually, manage my trade, and with stop loss can stop it at any time, you know, and we'll see. So I create a second target right there manually. And now what I'm doing is creating my stop loss rate. Let's put it like really far. Doesn't mean I'm gonna wait for it to reach that area. Just keep it far from and then manage it manually, like lower it down slowly. But now the market just open right now. So with this candle right there, and then just expecting the market either gonna reach my line right away or going down. Now it's decided to go down. And then I place my stop loss right there. Okay, so market decide to hesitate to run around this area. So what happened now next? I don't know. So the same scenario now starts to form, right? As on the 4-hour charts, my first target, I placed it around the 61% of the Fibonacci. So the market seems going, like you can see that's where the market is right now, so I can go a little bit beyond that. It's 61%, and then there's chances that they're gonna reverse, right? But we'll see. It's either gonna reverse or gonna break through right away. So let's see this manage. Now the price, now we're out. We didn't lose in this trade. We're out, but just break even almost. So yes, this is what the market doing right now, going to price exactly around the 21 or 61% of the Fibonacci, and then reverse right there. So that's right there. This is the area, the 61%, and you can see the higher time frame. Okay, so what I'm gonna do right now is the second scenario is start forming. So let's, yes, right there, first contract, and add the second contract. And so the market could decide to go all the way up. So I mean, if it went straight right away, like 2 contracts at the beginning would be good, but it's all good. So 2 contract now in. First target, second target. So first target is the area around the resistance, the daily resistance 1, and then I'll think about placing my second target a little bit above it. So now right there, the first target is a little bit above the high of the day, and then once the market reach that, so I'm expecting to reach the second, the resistance, or I was saying the resistance support. I'm sorry, the resistance of the day. So I'm just lost now. Yes, so the support, the resistance 1 of the daily one. So why the market reversed at 61% of the Fibonacci? So there you go, first one, first target. Yes, do it. Yes, okay, good. So what happened is this is exactly 61% plus there was the resistance of the weekly resistance, and then not far from the monthly resistance. So definitely the market will reach the area, stay in it like a couple seconds, and then reverse. So that was my first, plan. My market will reach my first target to manage it. It didn't happen like break even or stop loss with profit, and then reverse with the second. But things happen so fast. I just need to adapt to it, react, and take action. That's it. So basically, I follow the market sometimes, follow the price, and then yes, this is exactly. So we create a scenario, and then you act upon them. So at the speed of the market open, trading versus all this algorithm and bots and everything, it's really hard for retail trader to follow up, right? So which is good. I mean, let's not complain. There's this beautiful trade. So right there we covered our losses, and now we are in the profit, in the green. All good, awesome. Let's tap in the back and the shoulder, $1,260. Guys, if you find value, please consider share, subscribe, and like, and remember to trade wisely.